Do you use social media to recruit? Alam mo ba anak, napakaswerte ninyo ngayon. Dati kasi, pahirapan ng pagre-recruit. We advertised sa newspapers, radio, TV, and posters kung saan-saan. Napakagastos. Ngayon, kayo, you have a powerful tool for recruitment, and that's social media. Mas mura na, hindi pa kayo pagod, at mas madami pa kayong marireach. Pero tandaan mo anak, hindi lang post ng post kung ano-ano ha, at hindi lang gaya-gaya. Kasi yung iba, kung anong sinusulat ng competitor, yon ang naka-copy-paste. Mabuti na lang kung competitor. Yung iba, kahit na ibang industry, kahit na hindi swak, copy-paste pa rin. Halata at nakakatawa, di ba? Pinag-iisipan ng mabuti ang mga hiring posts dahil you are giving an impression about your company. Kaya gumamit ng eye-catching visuals at tamang words to attract the attention of the right people. Kailangan we share employee testimonials at ipakita ang company culture ninyo para may idea sila kung ano yung papasukan nila. Sumagot ka agad sa mga applicants, and lastly, bilangin at alamin kung saan at paano kayo nakakakuha ng good applicants para mas maging more efficient ang inyong efforts next time. That's how you can be business-minded, Pinoy.